Hi everyone, this is Evie. Tonight I'm doing a straight pour with acrylic paints on an 8x10 canvas, and I will go over the colors I'm using as I pour them in. So let's start off with white at the very bottom. Okay. Next color that I want to use, so this is white with some gold mixed in it, so it's just like a creamy color. Pour some of that in. Okay. Next up, we're going to put in some of this turquoise. And this is turquoise with a little bit of silicone in it. All the colors have some silicone in it. Okay, so this is a lighter turquoise. And we have a darker turquoise. We'll put that in. Okay. And we have a brown that's got gold mixed into it. Just slightly mixed. Put the brown in there. Okay. Okay, we are filling up the cup. Next color is a red with some gold mixed in it. Just put a little bit of red, not too much. And then finally, we have some orange with some gold mixed in it. Okay. So first thing I'm going to do is cover the canvas with some of that off-white so the paint can flow freer. Let's get the canvas covered. Okay, the canvas is covered. Good, good, good. Now let's pour. Ready, set, go. I think we've got plenty of paint in this. Okay. That's a lot of paint. It's going to start falling off. So let me okay, all I see in here is turquoise and white. Not very much else. None of the red or the orange is coming through. Okay, so I don't have my blow dryer set up so I can get some heat on it to get more cells. I'll have to do that in the next session, see how it works. Okay, so this is what we have right now. You know what I'm gonna do? I am going to, since I still have some paint in here, I'm gonna pour some more in the spots that are not covered by, they're not covering the canvas. Oh, that looks interesting. I'm going to pour in the center a little bit. That's interesting. Okay, so let me tilt it a little bit more. Get that center to move some.